Okay, let's get into it. Today we're doing a deep dive on an online retailer called Rimatech. It's kind of a fascinating look at how a company looks versus the actual risks.
Right. We've got this one user's experience, pretty detailed, and we're setting it against, what everyone else is saying online.
Exactly. And the goal here is to figure out what's really going on. What can we learn about shopping there?
Yeah, basically cut through the noise, find out where they're solid, and maybe more importantly, where things might fall apart for you as a shopper.
So, first impressions.
Hmm.
Riotech sells like smart home stuff, personal electronics, that sort of thing.
Hmm.
And the website itself looked really good. Sleek, professional.
And the prices were pretty compelling too, right? Lots of deals trying to hook you in.
Definitely. They clearly put effort into that initial look and feel.
Which makes sense. You see a sharp website, low prices.
Yeah.
It kind of lowers your guard, doesn't it? Makes you think, okay, this looks legit.
It really did. And the first actual interaction backed that up. We followed a test order for a smart speaker. Checkout was simple. No issues. And the confirmation email. It arrived, like, instantly.
See, that's key. A smooth purchase process builds that initial trust. They fulfilled that part perfectly.
And the product did show up. Packaging was good, secure. The smart speaker itself, exactly what was advertised on the site.
So they can get the product to you. That's important. It proves the basic operation works, at least sometimes.
But, and this is a big but, isn't it?
Uh-huh. Here comes the catch.
The shipping. It took way longer than they initially suggested.
Okay, so a delay. Annoying, but maybe not a deal breaker on its own.
Maybe not, but it felt like, I don't know, a sign of things to come. Because the real problems surfaced later.
Let me guess. Customer service.
Lingo. The user had a simple follow-up question. Tried to contact them. Nothing. Just radio silence. No response at all.
Oof. Okay, that's the red flag. It's not about a slow delivery anymore. It's about a complete lack of support when you need it. That's worrying.
Totally worrying. And it makes you think, is this just a one-off?
Uh,
An email lost in the system?
right. But when you look broader, what did the other online reviews say?
That's where the pattern really emerges.
Mm.
We checked out other feedback, and it was, well, mixed in a very specific way.
Oh.
Some people had experiences just like the initial part of ours. Smooth purchase, product arrived, all good.
Okay, the positive cases.
But then there were these other reports. People saying they flat out never got their order.
Never received. Wow.
Or, and this connects back to the silence we saw, people having huge problems trying to get refunds for missing or faulty items. Just couldn't get through, couldn't get resolution.
Ah, okay. So it seems like they're maybe good at the straightforward stuff, the transactions that go perfectly.
Seems like it.
But if anything goes wrong, delivery issue, faulty product, anything needing actual human intervention, the system just collapses. Or maybe isn't even there.
That's exactly what it looks like. Like the support infrastructure just can't handle problems, or maybe isn't designed to. So kick your money, hope it goes smoothly.
And if it doesn't, well, good luck getting help. It's almost like the silence is the strategy for dealing with issues. Less costly than actual support, I suppose.
It feels that way. So synthesizing all this, the final verdict from the sources we looked at, Riotech seems technically legitimate. They do sell and ship products, but it comes with serious caveats.
Yeah, legit, but with caution feels right. Extreme caution, maybe.
So what's the practical advice for someone listening if they see a deal in Riotech that looks amazing?
Well, first, definitely use a payment method that offers strong buyer protection. Think credit card, not a debit card or something you can't easily dispute. That's crucial.
Good point. Gives you some recourse.
Absolutely. And second, you just have to go in expecting potential delays. And more importantly, be mentally prepared that if your order does go wrong,
You might be on your own trying to fix it.
pretty much, the customer service might just not be there for you. So the core advice is always the same, really. Do your homework, check recent reviews, look for patterns like this, trust the warnings.
Right. It really boils down to your own risk tolerance, doesn't it?
Exactly.
So here's something to think about.
Yeah.
You've got Riotech offering maybe great prices, and they can deliver the goods correctly sometimes. But then you have this documented unresponsiveness, the ghosting from customer service, and reports of people losing money.
Mm-hmm.
Where do you draw that line? How much potential hassle or risk are you willing to accept just to save a few bucks on, say, a smart speaker? It's a tricky balance.
It really is. Something to definitely mull over next time a deal seems almost too good to be true online.